This is a tutorial on how to assign staff to different classes and different subjects. So at this point, you would have registered the staff, and that is you are logged in as the admin. So you go to admin panel and you click on staff. So once you click on staff, it shows you your managed staff, and you can see the employ staff where you go ahead and employ the staff. If you have any issue with employing the staff, you can go to our tutorial on how to employ and manage staff, and you can learn that. Then to assign the staff to our subject and our class, beside manage staff, there is assign subject teachers and there is assign class teachers. So you click on assign subject teacher. Assign subject teacher is a teacher that is in charge of teaching a subject for a particular class. So I can take, let's say, pre-nursery 1, pre-nursery day C, teachers are already assigned. Let me say year 7 go, teachers already assigned. So to assign a teacher to an existing subject or change the teacher that is teaching the subject, you come to agri science, you click on div and pour, you can change it to single Agnes. Automatically the teacher changes for that particular subject. So by default, this is just how, if a teacher has left and you've deactivated the teacher, you can have to come to the assigned subject teacher for that class he or she is teaching and change the teacher to the new teacher that is teaching that subject, and automatically the teacher's name will be assigned to that subject for that particular class. Then you have the assigned class teacher. The assigned class teacher is who is in charge of that particular, registering more students in that class, doing the attendance of the class, putting in the comments for the result for the class, and also whose name appears on the result for that particular class, who manages that class. That is who the class teacher is. So for each class and each subclass, you can assign different class teachers to them. So all you need to do is on the class teachers column, click on the name for the particular class you want to change the teacher for, select the teacher, then click the new teacher's name, click on the tick sign. Automatically that teacher will now be assigned as a class teacher for that particular class. So that's for the assigned class teacher, and you have for the assigned subject teacher. So if for any reason a teacher is not seeing a subject in a particular platform, let them know that the teacher is not assigned to the class, and you have to come to the assigned subject teacher and assign the teacher to that particular class and the subject that is teaching. And if a form teacher or a class teacher is not seeing the comments, the result summary generally, which we're going to do a tutorial on that, so just know that the teacher was not assigned or is not assigned to that particular class. Thank you very much.